Okay, so now you have done all 3 chapters for your animal book, and we are going to start writing your table of contents. So you'll see numbers at the side. So I have some numbers here, not all of them yet, but I have the first 3. And next to the number 1, we're going to write chapter 1. So you might need to put your letters a little bit smaller and a little bit closer together on this page. So let's see. Capital C, dive down H, magic C A, dive down P, up around and bump the P, dive down T, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R, and then put chapter 1. Put a little dash, then we'll write the word animal, capital A, dive down N, dive down I, dive down M, magic C-A, dive down L, and leave a space for body. Capital B, magic C-O, magic C-D, up like a helicopter, back down, slide, slide for the Y, and then this is going to be page, so we'll just put a P, period, and then the number 2. Okay, so the next one for number 2 is going to be chapter 2. So we'll write the same word, capital C, dive down H, magic C-A, dive down P, up, around and bump the P, dive down T, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R, and then the number 2 and a dash. For this one, we'll write animal habitat. So capital A, dive down N, dive down I, dive down M, magic C-A, dive down L, and then habitat. Capital H, magic C-A, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C-A, dive down T. And then this will be page 4. Dive down P, up, around, and bump the P, a little period, and a 4. Great. So I think I'm going to try to move my page. Ooh, I can do it up a little bit. And go back to writing again. And so for number 3, we're going to write chapter 3. Capital C, dive down H, magic C-A, dive down P, up, around, and bump the P, dive down T, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R, and then the number 3 with a dash. Now we have to write animal living habits. So I might write this a little bit smaller. Capital A, dive down N, dive down I, dive down M, magic C-A, dive down L, and then just a little space, capital L, dive down I, slide down, slide up for the V, dive down I, dive down N, Magic C, G, living, and let's see if I can fit habits. Capital H, Magic C, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, Magic C, S. I think I can make it fit. Dive down P for page. And this will be page 6. So make a skinny 6. Phew! I hope you can fit yours in. You might have to write small. Then you'll see a number 4. So I'll make the number 4, but you don't have to because your 4 is there. This, we're going to write meet the author. So capital M, hit the ball and run around the base for the E, hit the ball, run around the base for the other E, dive down T, meet, then leave a finger space for dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, then leave a finger space for author, capital A, dive down U, dive down T, dive down H, Magic C, O, dive down R. Meet the author. That will be page 8. Dive down P, up, around, and bump the P. Put a little period, and the number 8. And then the last number you should see is the number 5. I'll put that in there, but you already have it. And this is where we're going to write your resources. Capital R. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Magic C, S. Magic C, O. Dive down U. And dive down R, Magic C, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, Magic C, S, resources. And that will be page, dive down P, up, around, and bump the P, and the number 9. At the bottom of your table of contents, I'm going to bring my page up a little bit again. You'll see a dedication. Go back to my pen. And it says, I dedicate this book to. And what you might want to write on the line, you might want to write my mom because she has helped you so much. So let's do my. Dive down 2 hills. For the M, slide, slide. For the Y, my, and then leave a finger space for mom. Dive down for the M with 2 hills. Magic C, O, and then dive down with 2 hills for the other M, and then a period. So the sentence would read, I dedicate this book to, and then you write in, my mom. Well, that's all for the table of contents. Thanks for working so hard. Bye now.